Hi YouTube thing, say hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube.
Yes, my people, this is my granddaughter, and this is my grandson, my other grandson over there. And guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? We're in Nando's, right? So we've just had a meal, and guess what she's drinking?
What was there, guys?
Do you believe that? Come on, people? Do you believe that she's drinking Coke? Come on, and have a look. Look at her eyes. Now here comes the disguise. Okay, guys, that's my granddaughter, and we're in Nando's. Okay. Hey, what's up? What's up? This one's coming to you from Star City here in Birmingham. There's a lot of activities going over here. They've got cinemas, they've got clubs, they've got all sort of entertainment going on around here. So I'm just bringing you this one just from Star City today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hello? You all right? We've got liquor right here for the children. And then you've got Pizza Hut over here. Hey, it's a beautiful day. The temperature is probably about 27, 28 degrees today. Very, very warm. And they've got a huge car park, massive car park over here. Looks like they've got more entertainment over here for the children. And don't forget it's school holidays, so the kids are off school. So they've got lots of entertainment for them. You've got the fun ride. They've got water features here, but I'm not going to put the camera in for the water features because I don't want to be taking any pictures of any children. And then they've got another, I think another overspill car park just down there. It's quite a large complex here. and it's Star City. Jungle Rumble.
Come on then.
Buddy, come on, slow coach.
Yeah, when the sun's shining, you get everybody seems to be out and enjoying themselves.
Thank you for riding the one-way train. Please accept the ride. Goodbye.
They've also got casinos over here, so mainly in the evening or in the night time, you get a lot of people over here. They probably come to the cinema or come to do a bit of gambling. Yes, we are in Star City in Birmingham. Very large complex. It's not that busy at the moment. They've got an indoor section and outdoor. We're going to go in there, show you a little bit of the indoor area. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
All right. I'm coming. Carry on. I'll come around in a minute. Okay. Yes, just showing you a little bit of the indoor area of Star City. You've got eat, drink and play, and then you've got, looks like a Tenpin bowling or something over this side. That's another exit here. And you've got an Africana curry chicken and grill. Like I said, guys, in the night or the evening, it's going to be a lot of people over here. Anyway, we're going into Nando's. So catch you on the other side, guys. We'll see you in Nando's.
Hi YouTube thing, say hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube.
Yes, my people, this is my granddaughter. And this is my grandson. My other grandson over there. And guess what, guys? No, guess what, guys? We're in Nando's, right? So we've just had a meal, and guess what she's drinking?
What was there, guys?
Oh, do you believe that? Come on, people, do you believe that she's drinking Coke? Come on. And have a look. Look at her eyes. Now, here comes the disguise. Okay, guys, that's my granddaughter. And we're in Nando's, okay?
I'm going to order something for Cliff Wedding and we're going to go.
Okay then.
Alright, see you later.
All right, thank you.
Right, and you.
All right,
Thank
okay.
you.
All right, no problem.
Something for Cliff Wedding, we're going to go. Okay, you go back to Cliff.
Take it easy, yeah? Yes!
You're alright, Bob. Okay.
Yeah, just got out of Nando's here, guys. You can see the big sign up there, Nando's.
So when, guys. So when.
We'll go this way.
There's more people that are coming in now.
Your belly full?
Yeah.
Yes, guys, we're at Star City. It's getting very busy. See, it's getting a bit later in the evening and you get a lot of people coming out and enjoying the late afternoon.
I'm staying 35. I'm staying 35.
Rock like.
Yeah, they've got a lot of food place over here. So there's a good variety of food to eat. You've got pizza, you've got Burger King, you've got Nando's, and you've got a McDonald's over there. Over there, you see, just over, right about there, there's a McDonald's over there.
I don't know.
And you've got Subway. And if you look here, guys, it's a big car park. It's a massive, massive car park. You've got a car park all the way from over there. You've got a car park down there, and there's an overspill car park just at the bottom. And you've got the Jungle Rumble Adventure Golf building over there. Yeah. And everything here is free parking. Okay guys, hope you liked the video. It's only a short one, so take care and see you in the next one. Bye for now.